What's up, YouTube world? It's the Caveman. And today it's Taco Tuesday, and I'm feeling a little bit of hungry coming on. So I think I'm going to go head down to Chipotle. You get the new Al Pastor chicken. Usually it's pork, but it's chicken this time. Burrito. So I'm going to go check that out. Come along with me, and let's do this review and check it out, huh? Alright, Caveman. Oh, there it is. Chipotle time. Let's go. Al Pastor burrito coming our way for the Caveman. Let's do this. Hello. Can I get an Al Pastor chicken burrito?
Any rice and beans?
Yeah, can I get a white rice?
Any beans?
Pinto.
Any more orders? Just a burrito.
Just a burrito. Could I get extra pinto beans too?
Anything else?
No, could I get double meat?
Double Al Pastor?
Yeah. Let me do the mild, and then hot.
Mild, hot, anything else?
Extra cheese.
Extra cheese? Is that it?
That is, yeah.
What's the number for the bathroom?
3915. 3915.
Can I get a bowl? Let's go. Any rice and beans? White rice. And beans.
Cow? Is that double Al Pastor burrito?
Yeah.
Alright guys, holy crap. Look at this big boy. I don't know if I'm going to be able to eat it all, but I am a caveman, so I probably will. I can't wait to get home and give you guys the review, so follow me back home and let's do this thing, okay? Alright, see you in a minute. Alright, there it is. Let's unwrap this sucker. Oh my God. Guys, now it's time to get down to business, as they say. My caveman belly has been rumbling all day, so I'm looking forward to this. This big, big boy. Oh my God. Alright. You guys ready? Let's do it. Wow. Look at that. Alright, yeah, here's a burrito. Oh my God. Wow. I'm gonna take another bite of that. Damn. That is very flavorful. That is good. It's so fresh. I love Chipotle because it's so fresh. Like, how can you go wrong? Fresh beans, cheese, meat, burrito, everything. Everything is so fresh at Chipotle. It's such a good... It's all good. So addicting. Wow. Now, on a caveman scale from dabba-doo to yabba-dabba-doo, I'm gonna have to give that a yabba-dabba-doo. That's super good. Yeah, that's probably the best item on the menu right now. It used to be barbacoa for me, but I think the Al Pastor chicken just took the spotlight, took the number one. It's got just enough spice to where your mouth isn't like hurting, but you can taste the spice, taste the juiciness mixed with everything else. It's so damn good. I might not be able to finish all this, but I'm definitely gonna try. It'd be a disappointment if the caveman kid can't get it done though. Well, anyways, guys, go check that out if you haven't already. If you're late to the game like I am, this is my first time trying it. If you're late to the game, go down to Chipotle. I close at 10, and go get yourself an Al Pastor burrito, or tacos, or quesadilla, or even a bowl. But this is the good stuff, and hell yeah, I'm gonna finish this. All right, Caveman out to the next time. All right, have a good night. Please like and subscribe, and have a good night.